If you are looking for the best drill bits for stainless steel, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Most popular. Neiko 10194A Titanium Step Drill Bit. Neiko's 10194A has a high-speed steel exterior, which allows you to drill into all types of hard surfaces like copper, stainless steel, aluminum with minimum or no difficulty. Also, the high-speed steel drill bit comes with a titanium coating, which guarantees superior durability and longevity and ensures resistance to dents, corrosion, etc. Thus, making the item a remarkable one-time investment. And, its innovative flute-shaped design provides an easy escape for debris and waste particles for a fine and clean finish. Number 2. Hymnorq 12M Metric Twist Drill Bit. The drill kit comes with two pieces of bits, which have a 12M diameter and are perfect for all types of carpentry and workshop projects. Each of the bits is made of pro-grade M35 cobalt steel. Cobalt steel is an alloy of molybdenum and cobalt, which guarantees exceptional drilling and longevity. So, you can work without a worry about the drill's safety. It can drill through the hardest metals like cast iron and stainless steel like they are butter. In short, any material that has a hardness count below 67. Number 3. DEWALT D1263 Pilot Point Drill Bit. Let us introduce DEWALT's newest masterpiece, which assures remarkable speed and stability. It is made of cobalt, which is one of the hardest metals on the planet and assures remarkable durability and sturdiness. Cobalt is made by alloying steel, cobalt, and molybdenum. Such heavy alloying assures extreme sturdiness and, hence, is the dominating factor for the bits to cut through hard surfaces, including stainless steel. Plus, the alloy is also impervious to rust, dents, wear, and other damages to the bits. Thus, you can use the bits without a tad bit of worry. Number 4. EZARC Heavy Duty Drill Bit for Stainless Steel. EZARC is known for its unique designs and, its newest item takes the prize of the most innovative design the company has ever built. It has a serrated-like exterior with a drilling unit or shaft in the center. Even though it has a different look, its performance and efficiency are off the charts. Its carbide build allows you to cut through most materials, including stainless steel, alloy steel, plastic, aluminum, PVC, and FRP. Hence, with the cutter, you get a wide range of working options. Number 5. Drill America KFD29 JPC Drill Bit. The brand provides 29 heavy-duty drill bits all in a lucrative and handy cylindrical pouch. You hook the pouch to your pants and have access to a wide range of drilling options. Thus, you don't have to put extra effort to go and fetch for different drill bits. Yet, this is not the key attraction for the bad boy. Each bit has a KFD, Killer Force drill standard with M2 quality heavy-duty steel used to make it. Hence, with each bit, you get a wide variety of options such as iron, stainless steel, aluminum, and other hard materials.